What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning into the channel. So today we're going to be looking at going to a Corvette meetup and hanging out with a bunch of buddies, including a few other fellow YouTubers. So should be a fun time, food, friends, and of course, cool Corvettes. So let's get on the road and head it over there. So alrighty guys, so we have made it, and yeah, it was a little bit rainy on our way over here, and kind of for a little bit, at least when we were here. So, but thankfully there was a decent amount of Corvettes that showed up today, and like around 70 actually. So I'm actually really happy with that number. It's a bunch of us were still able to make it out, even despite the weather not really cooperating. But let's check out some of the Corvettes that came here, including this first one right here, which, if you guys notice, this is a Zeus Bronze C8 Corvette, but check out this design of vinyl on the back. I definitely like that. What do you guys think? I think it looks really cool. It ties in really well with everything that I've seen. And even like the side skirts, the 5VM side skirts are actually carbon fiber along with that gold kind of accent right there. It's really nice, especially with like the gold mirrors and everything. It looks really cool, and it is a 3LT natural dipped interior, just like how mine is. So really nice offset. I haven't ever come across this kind of design before, but it's really nicely done. I really like that. So let's see, let's check out this. So we have a C7 here with an awesome wrap on it. I love this wrap. It looks so nice. And I think there's actually a sister car to this that is a C8 version that has it the other way around, where it's red in the back and black in the front. So really cool. So we'll check that out. And by the way, this was all put together by a new Corvette club called Exclusive Corvette. It's being run by Mark Envy and I think a couple other people, but Mark Envy is the one that's been really putting this all together. So definitely a lot of us got together, and this is like the first event from Exclusive Corvette. So I'll have links in the description below so you can check them out. If you're in the DFW area, they're definitely going to be putting more events like this up together, and it's definitely a lot of fun. They have food and all that kind of stuff here. It's really great. So all right, let's check out some of these other cars here. So we have this chrome wrapped C8 Corvette that is by Cherry Boy DFW is his handle. I'll have also links in the description as well. But really nicely done wrap. That is one thing about these kind of wraps. They're not easy to do. And I definitely would never ever consider doing this kind of wrap, at least myself, to apply it. Not because I don't like it. I think it's cool and unique. It's just one of those things where I don't have the skill set, because because colors like this, where it's chrome and stuff, any kind of imperfections that you have, totally you're going to be able to see. So this is one of those things that has to be done by a professional, and this is very well done, and it looks super, super nice on this car. So let's see. So there you have the sister car to the other one we just saw, where it's now red in the back and black in the front. This C8, and it is really, really nice. You see the Boston wheels here in a nice black with red tones in it. Super, super clean looking. And I'm not sure if the interior can get caught, but it's a red interior, red two-tone interior. You probably can't catch that. But check out this design on the front here, guys. This design right here looks super, super nice. Definitely like that. Next, we have Mark Envy's C8 Corvette, part of the Vet Syndicate group. If you aren't part of them, you definitely check them out. They're a really, really cool group. You have Jason, front seat driver, a whole bunch of other people that are part of this group. But check this out. I mean, it's so, so clean looking in the inside here. Like, check out this design in the front on the C8. It looks so, so cool. Check out this Z06 over here. How you doing, man? This your Z06?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
You mind talking to me about it a little bit?
Fine.
Oh, it's yours?
Yeah.
Do you mind talking to me a little bit about it?
Actually, yeah, that's my buddy. That's my brother.
Oh, okay, gotcha. It's beautiful.
I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, no, it's beautiful. Woo. So what all have you done to it? I see the vertical doors, obviously.
Yeah.
Kind of deal.
Doors. Just cosmetic on the engine carrot.
Oh, okay.
Forgiato wheels.
Forgiato wheels.
Carbon fiber.
Very nice.
Just subtle things, cosmetic.
I hear you.
Mechanically.
Well, it doesn't really need much in regards to mechanical, right? Especially with it being a Z06. Beautiful looking carbon fiber and hitting like engine appearance package with that. It's got a two-tone white and black interior, beautifully set up, and nice little bits of carbon fiber here and there that you can see with like the red shifter knobs and stuff like that. That's a nice taste, actually. I really do like that a lot. Then you have things like a little bit, like it's just the details, like where you got it right here, where it's just that little bit of extra trim, red trim on there. Just really sets it apart, especially with the black. It just kind of helps fill it in. It looks really, really nice with it, especially the carbon fiber front splitter here. Beautiful stuff. You got a yellow C8 here. Looks like this guy's been to Ron Fellows. Yep, he's got the certificate. Ron Fellows. It's funny, that's something I have not done yet, and I really, really, really need to do it because I would love to get that done. Oh, check this out. They have done the clear cover for the engine bay on the that you can see sometimes on the convertibles, but it has like a yellow outline on it. It's really, really cool looking. All sorts of different Corvettes in regards to different generations, not just C8s. You got C7s, C6s, I think even like C5s, and I think a couple of C4s actually. Check out this white C8 here. Beautiful looking. It's got the Paragon LED front LED lights, just like how mine is. I love that feature. That's honestly one of my favorite features to have on the C8 Corvette. Honestly, it's something that GM, I feel, should have had with the car as like a standard piece. It really makes the car stand out so much nicer. But the white on white looks really, really good on the C8. It's really clean. I'm surprised it's as clean as it is, considering it was raining so much before. Dude, this Hummer is so nice looking. Whose Hummer is this, do you know?
Mine.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, it's beautiful. Shoot, do you mind talking about it a little bit? Like,
No, not really.
Okay. No, you're fun. Like,
94, I know that it's a 94. When I bought it, it had 30,000 miles on it. I think it had a camouflage pattern on it. I changed the tires, I changed the rims on it. I changed to a civilian type bumper. So I modified that bumper.
oh, that's awesome.
Most of the stuff that's modified come from a Jeep, like those doors. I made those doors myself.
Oh, you made the doors yourself?
Yeah, so I got the back ones. I just didn't put them on. But
Gotcha.
I made them because when I had my niece riding with me, and she was like, "Oh, I'm afraid I'm gonna fall out." So I made those doors. Just some Jeeps with them. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna order some Jeep ones.
See, yeah, I never seen that before, and I was just like,
you see where I cut it and welded it. This piece.
oh, okay, gotcha. That's really, really cool.
Cameras, I got cameras all around it, 4 cameras.
Oh, so yeah, so you're not even using the actual mirrors, which is actually like.
You don't, the blind spots are really bad in this thing, so.
Oh
The
man,
mirror, that camera works awesome.
that's super cool.
Even
How hard was it to set up the cameras and stuff like that? Really?
Even there's one I put in there. Used to be a light in that. See that light? The yellow light?
Oh yeah.
That's a camera right there. Used to be a light inside of that. So I took the
Oh
light out
shoot.
and put a camera in there.
Yeah, so there's a front camera also. That's freaking cool. I did not see any of these details when I was doing this before, like, or checking it out before. That's really, really cool. How long did this take you to do?
I've had it for over going on 2 years.
Going on 2 years?
I worked on it, you know, it's at home. It was in the home, just taking my time to work on it.
Yeah.
Then I wanted to get it painted. Then everybody was coming up with these different prices. Then I did some research, and I painted it myself in my own garage.
You did?
I just took it out.
Dude, that's awesome.
Yeah, I do it myself. Save me some money with it. I just put these skirts on it too, so they didn't come on.
Yeah. Heck,
Now I need to either buy some steps or manufacture some steps because I need a step up on it. So.
yeah, that's fair. No, I understand the doing it yourself. I mean, like me wrapping my car, like
You wrap your own car?
I wrapped my own car. So yes, the green one. Well, can't really see it.
Oh, it looked like a Lamborghini, right? Oh,
Yeah.
That's a nice car.
First time ever wrapping.
Right. Wow,
like,
that's good.
yeah. So.
I made this tire rack in the back and everything.
Oh shoot, dude! I'm seeing so many things I did not see the first time I looked.
I put it on myself for a
That's awesome.
camera.
Yeah, small camera over here.
Yeah. Even the bed here now, because I go shooting a lot. I'm like, wow. And I have this bed inside. I got these with my ammo and my gun. So I can shoot, but I put this in. I got a shooting table. I sit here. This thing I made this myself. And just pick it up and roll.
Oh, nice.
Then it rolls back in. That way, ain't got to be lifting all that heavy stuff trying to put it in.
Oh yeah, no, that's nice. So you just got rails and installed the rails in there to be able to.
Well, I made this platform and put wheels.
Oh, okay. You put wheels on the bottom of it.
There's some slots already under.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Like that. So
Gotcha.
that track right there. And all the lights changed the LED from the standard lights.
Yeah.
It's a 24-volt system. They come with a military vehicle 24-volt system. I put a converter in there to convert to 12 volts. Most of the stuff you see I added runs off a 12-volt system.
Right. Gotcha.
Yeah.
Oh,
Then I put that exhaust stack on it mainly because when I first got it, I didn't have it there.
dude, I didn't even see that.
Went through,
Check this out.
I turned the corner and the road was flooded. I was like, oh my God. I just drove right through it, but the exhaust was underwater. But
That's crazy.
The gas, I just went on through. I went through. But I said, I'm going to change that and put that exhaust back on. I don't have it.
It wasn't there before.
It wasn't. I had it.
That's so ridiculous, man. This is beautiful. Like, that's a lot of work too. I can definitely appreciate. I appreciate you talking about it. That's really, really cool. You check out this thing. This thing is insane.
This is. I've always wanted an H1. This thing is ridiculous. Check this out. Oh my gosh.
He just finished giving me the whole walkthrough with it. It is so crazy looking.
So go watch. My video will probably be out after Carlos, so I can say already go watch Carlos go New Horizon. Go check out his video because he does a whole walkthrough with the gentleman on this.
Likewise, and I mean, obviously, if it's it goes without saying, check out Jason, front seat driver.
Appreciate you.
See,
But yeah, man, that thing is. That's like a dream vehicle for me.
dude, it had cameras and all that stuff. Like he installed all cameras on both the sides and the mirrors and stuff like that.
Oh, I see it. Yeah, I didn't. Man,
There's so much stuff that like you didn't
you
see.
won't even notice unless you.
Yeah, exactly. Well, I didn't mean to stop.
Oh no, you're good. That literally. They have one, an H1 at Streetside Classics. I was like, if I could afford another vehicle or have a place to put it,
Oh yeah.
buy it in a heartbeat.
Oh yeah, for sure, man. So many nice Corvettes. It's a shame it's kind of a little flooded on, I'm not kidding, when it got when we got rained on, it definitely got rained on. So thankfully it's not anywhere crazy now. Everything's kind of just slowly drying off. So definitely a good turnout of Corvettes and such here. always a lot of fun. I definitely give props out to like Mark Envy and Exclusive Corvette. This is a great turnout and a whole bunch of cool cars, including that Hummer, which I was really loving that. In any case, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please check out any of my other videos, and we'll see you next time. Take care, guys.